Say good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
Where are we going?
To Universal.
We are going to Universal Studio. This is going to be our last day. And tomorrow we're going home again, right? Okay, hold on. Let's see. We're going to show them. Look at this, guys. We are in the 14th floor. That's our view from our hotel, guys. It's so beautiful. So, guys, if you guys is interested, you have to come to visit Universal Studio at Orlando. Ayan, guys. It's a beautiful morning. Right, Jasmine? Beautiful. Okay, now you have to say goodbye now.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone. I don't see you. Take care, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.